Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Lump of Coal by Jean. So this continues our December Advent style theme. So hope you're having fun with that. Today let's go over the rules. We have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have a region crop key line. So black lines in the grid, that's this one single line here, are region crop key lines. Box borders divide lines into segments. The sums of neighboring segments are in a 1 to 2 ratio, meaning one is exactly double the other. So think of it like our region sum lines, except instead of all having the same sum, we kind of have this crop key relationship. So let me just pick colors for all these. So, what did I miss? Green, orange. Okay, sorry. So basically, we split up region borders, the borders between boxes, split up this line into segments, and adjacent, like neighboring segments, like this green and purple, along with this green and orange, their sums have a 1 to 2 ratio. So one is double the other. So let's say this sum was 6, like 1, 5. That sum was 6. This sum here could be 3, like 1, 2. So 6 is double 3. So that would be one way that would work. This would also then have to be 6 because we can't half the 3. So we could do maybe a 2, 4 like that. But then this, if it could be a 12, it could technically be 12, or we go back down to 3. But yeah, so that's the basic concept. In addition to that, we do have crop key dots. Crop key dots separate digits with a 1 to 2 ratio. So if this was a 2, this could be a 1 because 2 is double 1, or this could be a 4 because 4 is double 2. All right, and that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so we have 4 digits here that are then going to sum to something that is going to be double this digit. So the reason I know it's double is because the minimum digits we can put on these 4 cells is 1, 2, 3, 4, which would make it add to 10. Well, we're certainly not doubling 10 and putting it here. We can't put a 20 in here. 6 is our max digit, right? So if this was 10, this would be half of 10, making it 5. If this was 12, this would be half of 12, making it 6. And now, here's the thing, though. These two, it's basically we've got a crop key dot between them because this digit is a 1 to 2 ratio with this one. 5 cannot be involved in a 1 to 2 ratio like that with single digits because we can't double to 10 and we can't half to 2.5. So this does end up being a 6, which makes this a 3. I can say that now that 3 is unavailable, this is from 1, 2, 4 and definitely contains a 2 because it's going to be 1, 2 or 2, 4. Those are the only 2 ratios left. There's only 3 ratios we can do: 1, 2, 2, 4, and 3, 6. That's it. The smaller digit is going to be 1, 2, or 3, and the bigger digit is going to be 2, 4, or 6. Because the bigger digit is always twice the smaller digit. So you know that the bigger digit's an even digit, and then the smaller digit has to be 1, 2, or 3, because it has to be in the bottom half, because we're going to end up doubling it. Okay, so now this is not going to add to 1.5, so this does add to 6, so it's going to be 1, 5, or 2, 4. It'd be really funny if I accidentally filled exactly the correct thing here. From 6, we can't double to 12 because that would be 6 plus 6. That would double the 6. So we have to halve back to 3, which makes this a 1, 2 pair. Meaning that's not 1, 2, and that's not 4, 5. Okay, so remember I said that our 2 options for a black dot are 1, 2, 2, 4, or 3, 6. Well, if I was from 1, 2, 4 here, I would have too many 1, 2, 4s in this column. So actually I have to be from 3, 6. And then the remaining digits here contain a 5. I don't know which one. And then whatever's missing from these two, 1, 2, or 4. Okay, that's not super helpful. We know this isn't 1 or 2, so this is only 4, 5, because it's not 1, 2, or 3, 6. All right, this is 3, so we have to double to 6. So this is going to be 1, 5, or 2, 4. Does this black dot help us at this point? Well, one thing we can think about is we know these 4 add to 12. So if these 4 add to 12, what are these 2 adding to? Well, the entire box, 1 through 6, sums to 21. 21 minus 12 is 9. So these 2 digits add to 9, meaning that they have to be either 4, 5, or 3, 6. Those are the only 2 options for 9. So this This could be a 3-6 with a 1-2 down here. We know there's a 2 in one of these two. I should mark that. Filling these isn't super helpful just because we know that once we get these 2 digits, these 4 will come. Okay, so this cannot be 1-2, because if this was 1-2, then this would be 4-5, which has to 9, not 6. It could be 2-4, which would make this 1-5. Or it could be 3-6, which would make this 4-5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, what am I missing here? There's clearly some deduction I don't have here. But I think I have all the sums basically penciled. You know, there's a 3 down here. Okay, I'm going to need a 1 in this column. The 1 ends up down here. There might just be some Sudoku that I need to do here, based on my pencilings. Is there some reason 1-5 or 2-4 would have issues? Not that I can tell. Oh, sorry, it's this 1-2 pair looking down. That's been there. So that's a 4, because it can't be 1 or 2. Making that a 2. Making this 1-5. So this cannot be the 5. Okay, what else do I have? 1's in one of these two. Okay, can I follow up on this at all? This digit here we could get, this is a 6. There we go, that makes this 3 and 6. So this can't be 3, this can't be 6. This can't be 6, which makes that not a 3. So from 4, 6, we know we're adding to 9. So this is either going to be 4 plus 5 or 6 plus 3. And then here I got rid of the 3, 6 that wouldn't work. That direction. This is 4 or 5. Oh, this 4 tells us this is 5, this is 4. Okay, let's get these pairs written out. This is a 1, 6. So the 6 tells us that's 1. That's, oops, misclick. 1, 6. That places the 1 here. All right, this pair is 2, 4, not resolved. This pair is 3, 5. All right, this can't be 4, meaning this can't be 2. All right, we're close. Ooh. Do we know what this digit is? It could be a 2, or... So if this was 3, 6, this would be 4, 5, this would be a 2. If this was 2, 4, this would be 6, 3. So we wouldn't have a 5. So this is... Oh, and this can't be a 5. Okay, what is this pair? Well, it's a 2 or a 4. I think we can't make this a 4. Because these add to 9. This would be 6, 3. 4, 2... Wait, it does work. No, this does work as a 4. I don't know why I thought that wouldn't. I must have analyzed it wrong before. I need a 3, 5 here. Maybe there's just more I can do with this. Tricksy at the end here. 6 is in one of these two. This is 4, 5 or 3, 6. 4, 5 makes this 3, 6 and that a 2. 3, 6 makes this 4, 2. Oh, this can't... Okay, yeah, sorry. This can't be 2, 4, because then what's this going to be? Right? So this is not 2, 4. So this has to be 3, 6, and that finishes everything. So that gives us the 4, 5, which does add to 9, gives us the 2, 4. We get our 2 and... these misclicks. 2 and 4, 5 and 3. So this can't have a 5. Oh, the 3 is shooting snow. This can't have a 5 on it, which means it can't have a 1 on it, because it has to add to 6. And so that's 2, 4. That's 1, 2. These two digits are a 1 and a 5. Actually, not resolved. These two digits are a 1 and a 6, which is resolved. That's 6, that's 1, giving us 5 and 1 and 3 and 5. And finally, we finish with a 3 and a 2, and we're done. All right, neat puzzle, Gene, as always. Yeah, I missed... I think I missed one obvious thing, which was this 1, 2 pair looking down. That's something I shouldn't have missed, but this was interesting that the 2... I had to pencil this cell to say it could only be 2, 4, and the fact that this could not be 2, 4 because it breaks this cell, that was the key to finishing. So cool. Neat puzzle. I enjoyed it. Hope you did too. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.